Hi friends, it's Becky, and I have a really quick lunchtime tutorial for you. I'm making this during my lunchtime, and so it is going to be very quick and very easy because this week I'm doing all easy projects. Things that can be done quickly, things that are easy, that don't take a lot of complicated things to be able to put together. And so I went into the what is this, Woodland Fairy Sam's bead box that I've got some of my beads from. I did a necklace with that last week, and I just pulled out these gorgeous little tulip beads and a couple of leaf beads for these. And then I've got some ball head pins and some ear wires, and we're just going to do some earrings. For tools, I'm going to be using my favorite tools for wire wrapping. I've got some chain nose pliers, some round nose pliers, and some flush cutters, and that's just so that I can wrap the loop on these head pins. That's all you need them for. I've said before how much I've appreciated earring making before. It's one of my favorite things. I used to make a pair of earrings every morning, just as a way of centering myself before I started my day, a way of having at least one thing that went right for me during my day. I could make myself a little pair of earrings, and they would be just something that I could wear for the rest of the day, something that, I'd look at when I go see myself in the mirror, and everything would be okay. And so that's what I'm going to do today. Just make a quick little pair of earrings. I'm stacking the beads one on top of each other, the leaf beads, and then putting my flower bead right on top. I'm grabbing my round nose pliers, and I've just gripped it right above this flower bead and then tipped it up to the side. And I'm just going to use my finger and pull that around the top of my round nose pliers. I'm going to open and rotate my round nose pliers so I can pull this all the way around. And then I'm going to start wrapping. I'm going to start with just my fingers, but at this point I am going to need to grab my pliers to keep that wire going around because it's short enough that my fingers just are not going to do a great job of it. It's entirely possible that I'll need to go grab a different set of pliers, but we're going to keep going with this one just for the heck of it. Alright, and it's entirely possible that I will not need to cut off any excess wire because this end of this wire will have enough room to wrap all the way around before it gets to that bead. Alright, there we go. Wait. It's just a little bit more right there. It's sticking out, and it's awkward enough that I don't think I'd be able to get the nippers in there. You know what? I'm going to call it good enough. And it's a little bit bent, and I'm going to say that that is okay because it adds a little touch of whimsy for it to be a little bit bent, and it's bent because of the way that the leaf beads kind of stack on top of each other. And once again, I'm totally okay with it because the bendy part makes it more whimsical. Alright guys, let's get you opposites. Let's hope this one's just as whimsical. Yep, when I tighten it up like that, it does. It bends it over a little on the side. I love that. That's great. That was an unplanned bit of design element that I am not mad at all. Alright, let's get this wrapped the rest of the way, if I can. So yeah, this is quick, easy, and I will have at least one thing today that went right for me. It is such a great little kind of project to come back to when I need something quick, something easy. There we go. Whimsical. And now I'm going to use my chain nose pliers to swing open the loop on my ear wires. And these are just some handmade ear wires that I like to make for myself and for my family because this wire is wire that my metal allergy family can wear without any issues. So I love it. It's the Softflex wire, and I use 22 gauge for this. All right, here we go. Close that up. And now we've got a pair of earrings. Hope you enjoyed this. I will put a link to Sam's Bead Shop. That's where I got this Sam's Bead box. If they have any extras for sale, you don't have to be a subscriber to purchase extras of the box. It is one that I would be tempted to, if I wasn't a subscriber, to go ahead and get, because it is full of really, really gorgeous things. It was curated by Louisa from what was it, Misty Moon Designs. I keep forgetting, spacing out on her YouTube channel. And she did a fantastic job. It is gorgeous and full of whimsy and full of really, really pretty things. So I'm going to go wear these today. And I hope y'all are having a fantastic week. And I will talk with you later. Happy beading.